Hey, what's up, Chemical Guys family? Today, we're gonna show you guys how to super clean an old interior. So I got myself, and we got our good friend, Good Times. That's your cue.
Child lock.
We got Good Times.
Hey, what's up, guys? Bro, you did that on purpose?
So we got Good Times here. You guys may have seen him from the Lightning Truck series. Now we have him back here. We did play a little prank on him. He was supposed to pop out of the door, but we put the child safety on, so that was pretty funny.
Very funny, Joey, very funny.
Now we're gonna show you guys how to super clean an old interior. So right here we have a 1998 Toyota Sienna that one of our friends here, good friends of ours here at the Chemical Guys, they just picked it up and they want us to deep clean it for them because if you actually look inside, it's pretty dirty, but it's not to the point where it's like completely hopeless. So there is a ton of stuff that we can do on it. I know Good Times has already shared his passion. He already wants to get deep cleaning on this. So we're gonna go ahead and just get started showing you guys how to clean it up. All right, guys, so we went ahead and popped open all the doors and the trunk of the Toyota Sienna, and we lit it up very clearly for you guys so you guys can see all the things that are going on. So in this situation, you as a professional detailer, where would you start?
I will start on the plastics from top to bottom.
Top to bottom. So just like how you wash your car, you always work from top to bottom when it comes to the exterior vehicle as well as the interior of your vehicle. So what Good Times is basically trying to say is you want to work from the top of the panels on your interior to the bottom, because what ends up happening is as you're cleaning the top parts of your interior, all that stuff, all the dirt, all the grime that you're extracting is most likely going to go down because gravity, hey, go figure. So all that stuff is going to go straight down into the carpets. So basically, its point is to clean your carpets and then start cleaning the top parts of your vehicle, because then you're just going to get more grime that lands on your carpets or your leather or whatever other surfaces you have on there, and it's going to be pretty pointless, right?
Correct.
So let's go ahead and start from the top. But before we do anything, what else do we have to do? What would be the next thing that you would do before you start cleaning? Because there is one thing that I do have in mind. I don't know if you can think about it.
Remove the mats.
Hey, you got it. So right now, we're gonna have Good Times start removing all the floor mats. So the floor mats, there's actually 3. Luckily, we actually don't have any second or third row seats. That way, it makes it extremely easy for us to just really take advantage and deep clean the carpets, the floor mats, and luckily, since these floor mats are removable, we can take them out and we can clean them outside with a power washer like our ProFlow PM 2000, or, I mean, these aren't really that bad, but I know the carpet on the interior is a lot worse. So these we might just give like a quick little rundown, and then we're gonna go ahead and just more so deep clean this. But before we start deep cleaning the carpets, we're gonna start cleaning the panels. So right now what we're gonna cut to a quick montage. Me and Good Times, we're gonna start tackling all the door panels, all the side panels, the dashboard, and anything that's hard plastic or vinyl or rubber, and we're just gonna start deep cleaning it and then conditioning it with some VRP. All right, so right now, as you guys can see, Good Times is in the background. Man, look at that attention to detail right there. He's going ham cleaning the interior. Now, he's using a combination of our soft Boars Hair detailing brushes and our Nonsense Invisible Super Cleaner. If you guys don't know about Nonsense is colorless, it's odorless, it's pH neutral, which means that it's virtually safe to use on all of your interior and exterior surfaces, and it does an incredible job of just breaking down years of dirt, grime, body oils, and neglect that accumulates on both interior and exterior surfaces. But in this case, we're using it on interior surfaces. So Nonsense is doing an incredible job, especially paired with that soft Boars Hair Brush, because as you guys know, interior surfaces, especially like the one on this Sienna, it's textured. So you can use this product with a microfiber towel by spraying the surface or spraying your towel and wiping it down, but you don't really get that full deep clean. And that's exactly why we use brushes, to make sure that we get into all the nooks and crannies and the texturization of the material. So right now what we're gonna do is we're gonna finish up cleaning the entire interior with our Nonsense, and then we'll be right back with you guys to show you guys how to condition, shine, and protect all your hard interior plastics. after finishing cleaning the interior with Nonsense and our Boars Hair Detailing Brush, me and Good Times have already proceeded with starting to apply VRP to all the vinyl, plastic, and rubber trim. Now, the great thing about this product is that seeing to that we just fully clean all the panels, now would be the best time to restore, condition, and protect them all at once, and shine them too. And that's the beauty about VRP, is that it does all those things in one simple and easy to use product. It's a water-based dressing that you can apply with a foam or microfiber applicator to all the things like your dashboards, your door panels, and any other surfaces like that, which are exposed to those harsh UV rays. That way it prevents drying, cracking, fading, and discoloration in the long run. And as you guys can see, even though we cleaned it very thoroughly, the plastics do look very dried out, so that's why we're coating them with some VRP. So we're gonna go ahead and coat the entire interior with some VRP, and then we'll be right back with you guys for the next step, which is cleaning the carpets and the floor mats. All right, Good Time. So we just finished detailing all the hard plastics with Nonsense and VRP, right? Now what's the next thing that we gotta do?
Now we're gonna go to the carpet.
Yeah. Now what's the first thing that we do when it comes to carpet?
Vacuum the surface.
That's right. So me and Good Times, we double teamed it. We vacuumed the entire interior. We got rid of all the fine debris, all the little chip, all the crackers, anything and everything that was in the carpet that was in our way from cleaning it is now out of the way. And now we can actually start cleaning with our fabric cleaners, which actually brings up a great point. Me and Good Times actually have two different products here. You have
Lightning fast.
and I have Fabric Clean. Now, a lot of you guys always have questions about this combination of products. You know, which one do I need? Which one's better? And I'm here to tell you that they both shine in their own places. Now, Lightning Fast, it does an incredible job for stains, and that's exactly what it's for. It does an incredible lightning fast job at just breaking down tough stains and grime from your carpets, fabrics, and upholstery for that extra deep clean. And this is also dilutable, so this is more of a, I like to refer to it as more of a spot clean versus something like our Fabric Clean, which is more of a interior upholstery shampoo. Now this product right here is designed to lather, it's designed to foam up. Lightning Fast also foams up, but not really to the extent of something like Fabric Clean, because this is actually a shampoo. Now the reason I would use this one over this one, or you can actually use them in combination with each other, in this one, I would use it for more general cleaning, for removing foul odors. It is citrus based, so it does an incredible job of just replacing any kind of foul odors on your interior with a nice, fresh, zesty citrus scent. So that's why I'm gonna be using Fabric Clean diluted to a 20-to-1 ratio to clean just basically the not so bad places of the carpets and upholstery of this van. And then Good Times is actually gonna be working on all the harder stains, such as the ones over there underneath the seats. There is some pretty gnarly stains, so he's gonna be tackling those with some Lightning Fast, and I gotta grab everything for you, huh? So he has a drill brush.
Sorry.
That's pretty fast. So he has our spinner light duty drill brush, which can be paired with any kind of power drill at home. And as you guys can see, it's nicely set up, and use the power of your drill to do the scrubbing for you. That way you have an easier time getting rid of tougher stains. Meanwhile, me, I don't need all that power. If I wanted to, I could use it, and not in this case, I'm just gonna do it by hand. That way you guys have two different examples of how to use your upholstery cleaning products with a machine and by hand using one of our nifty stiff bristle brushes. So right now we're just gonna go straight into it. We're gonna start deep cleaning all the fabrics, the upholstery, the floor mats, and everything and anything that's in the van. And then we'll be right back with you guys for the final results. So let's get started. All right, guys, and just like that, me and Good Times, we're all done deep cleaning the Toyota Sienna. Good Times, do you have any thoughts, any challenges that we came upon with this interior? Good Times, what do you think about today? How was it? Was it a challenge? Was it?
It was a little challenge. It had a lot of stains. It looked like someone dropped Coke on it.
Coca-Cola.
Coca-Cola.
Anyways, we did a pretty good job, I think, at just really restoring this.
Amazing job.
So we're gonna go ahead and close it out right here. If you guys enjoyed, make sure to like, subscribe to not miss out on our future videos. And if you guys want to pick up any of the products that you guys seen on today's video, where can you pick them up, Good Times?
At our local detail garage.
Yes. So we have detail garage stores all throughout the US, the UK, and Canada. There's a store locator in the description, so make sure to go check that out. My name is Joey.
My name is Good Times.
And we'll see you guys next time right here at the Chemical Guys Detail Garage.